Welcome to Timeline Chronicles. Today we take you on a journey to a land of rolling hills, floating clouds, and untold stories. This journey is very close to my heart. Today's story is about Mizoram, a state that is truly special for me. The story of Mizoram goes back centuries. The people here, known as Mizo, are believed to have migrated from the Burman region. For centuries, they lived in small villages under the guidance of their chiefs. In 1891, Mizoram came under the British rule and was known as Lusai Hills District. After India's independence in 1947, it became part of Assam. But the people of Mizoram had their own distinct culture and identity. In 1972, Mizoram became a union territory. And finally, in 1987, it emerged as a 23rd state of India. Mizoram is not just about history, it's about culture too. The most famous festival here is Chapchar Koot, celebrated in spring with drums, songs, and vibrant dances. The world knows Mizoram for its bamboo dance, which also known as Chero dance, where dancers move gracefully between bamboo sticks. Music, dance, and community spirit are at the very heart of Mizo life. Mizoram is often called the land of the hill people. Lush green valleys and thick forests looks like a piece of paradise. Though far away from rest of the India, Mizoram shines for its natural beauty, warm hospitality, and the simple charm of its people. Mizoram is not just a state but a symbol of resilience, unity, and pride. It shows us that even while holding on to traditions, one can move forward into the modern world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeline Chronicles. Till then, bye bye, take care.